Assalamu alaikum, my dear siblings. Hope all of you are doing well. Well, I'm Aqsa Akeel from class 7, and I'm gonna tell you today a mesmerizing story which is about laborious, arduous creature which is none other than an ant. The question arises why this tiny creature has been referred to a tiny teacher. You will get answer of the story or this question after I will introduce the story to you. So let's start with fresh minds with no distraction and no wastage of time. Dears, there are many kinds of ants, but the most commonest among them are the black-headed ants. Ants, when they communicate to each other, use their antennae or feelers. They live in ant hills with hundreds of rooms and roots. Many of these rooms are used by the queen to lay eggs. The rest of the rooms act as nurseries for the young ones called grubs. A specified group of ants have separate works. We can simply say that there is division of labor. The worker group of ants live in quarters and spend most of their time for searching food. And the soldier group of ants got the whole colony. They live in encampments. They never fight with each other and they never dare to go in one another's homes. They live so peacefully. The queen is the mother of whole colony. The lifespan of queen is about 15 years. Moreover, she has also a couple of wings which she bites off after her wedding flight. After the flight, she does nothing but lays eggs. When the eggs hatch, grubs come out. They are guarded by the soldiers and cleaned by the workers. After 2 or 3 weeks, grubs become cocoons. When the cocoons break, perfect ants appear. Now it's time for training and teaching. New ants learn their duties from the old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. Dears, let me tell you that ant hill it's not only home for ants, but also for some outlandish creatures like beetles, that's a breed of ants, and greenfly. I know all of you will be thinking that why ants allow these outlandish creatures to live in their homes. There are several reasons. Number one, some of them give pleasant juices. Number two, some of them produce pleasant smells. And number three, some of them serve as pets to the ants. You will be wondered to know that green fly is ant's cow. Ants train it to give honeydew. I think humans haven't learned as much ants have. And even if they have learned this much, they not put their learning to good use. There are certain basic life lessons which humans can learn from this tiny teacher, like diligence, sense of duty, cleanliness, discipline, care for young ones, and mostly a firm loyalty to the land where we live. Thanks, have a nice day.